MRI Patient Motion costs the industry worldwide over $100,000 per scanner per year, while MRI room accidents cause thousands of lawsuits and millions in damage and trauma to patients and staff. The PMT is specifically designed to help reduce the incidence of these accidents and promote a safer environment for the patient and technologist.
As an MR safety officer, I'm always looking for ways to make my department safer, both for my patients and my technologists. For these reasons, I felt compelled to team up with the sound imaging team to work on their PMT. The PMT has the ability to increase efficiency and safety for MR departments by ensuring proper padding to decrease burns, and also help monitor the room when not in use. For these reasons, I think the PMT would be beneficial for any MR department.
Motion is a huge issue during scans. It slows down efficiency of facility operations, and it prevents us from seeing more patients. This makes all the safety functions of the PMT an invaluable feature to have and incorporate into the facilities. The PMT can help our facilities businesses much more than before, and it allows us to give the patients the best care that we can.
In development for over 4 years, the PMT is a state-of-the-art MRI patient motion and safety system that was designed to address a wish list of issues brought up by the MRI staff at Johns Hopkins Medical Center. The PMT is an integrated safety and motion detection system that will reduce motion artifacts, increase owner, technologist, and patient safety, and improve MRI operational efficiency. It integrates with all MRI scanner software and specialized HD cameras, work list integration, and artificial intelligence software. This PMT system is feature-rich, coming in 2 versions, the Motion Performance Package and the Safety and Performance Package. Motion is a huge issue during scans. It slows down the efficiency of facility operations and prevents us from seeing more patients. The PMT can help our facilities business much more than before and allows us to give patients the best care that we can. The PMT has the capability to increase both efficiency and safety for MR departments. It can increase safety for MR departments by helping technologists ensure proper padding of the patient to decrease burns and helping monitor the exam room when not in use. For these reasons, I think the PMT would be a valuable addition to any MR facility. PMT includes features like patient motion detection, which allows visual and audible alerts, as well as optional MRI scanner pausing during patient motion. Nights and weekends mode, alerting users to MRI room intrusions. MRI room patient safety alerts, giving the Tech Voice facility activated facility-wide help requests for MRI room emergencies, and so much more. The PMT system is a highly innovative MRI custom patient motion and safety detection system specifically designed to stop operational and maintenance overruns, improving image quality and patient comfort and safety. It will improve your patient and technician experience during the MRI process. With this newly patented device, sound imaging is moving MRI into the 21st century, and patients will never be more comfortable.